The defendant acted in self-defense. Released.
Thank you.
This is the first case in the country of self-defense ending in an acquittal. And for Attorney Carter, it is proof of her perfect record.
I don't want to go to school.
Hannah, get dressed. We have to go.
I don't want to go to school. I don't want to go to school. I don't want to go to school. They'll bully me at school. I don't want to go to school.
Miss Carter, due to the bully, your daughter has developed severe psychological trauma. She needs her family to give her extra care and support. Only then will her condition begin to improve.
It is okay, Hannah. Mommy's not taking you to school. Mommy's taking you to see the bullies get punished. Daddy's already gone to help you punish the bad guys, okay?
Really?
Of course it is true. Hello, Edward. What made you call me?
Rose, I heard about your family's case. Back then, you were the top in the legal world. A perfect record. It is still a legend, and you just handed the case over to your husband.
Edward, I've made a promise to myself. From now on, all my energy goes to my family.
So the settlement was your idea too?
Settlement? What settlement? I made it perfectly clear that I won't accept any kind of settlement.
But I heard your husband, Michael, signed a settlement today.
Hello, the number you dialed is unavailable. Please try again later. Hello, the number you dialed is unavailable.
I'll start with 3 toasts. The first one is, of course, to my best friend, Michael Carter. Thank you for agreeing to mediation and giving Lucas another chance. It is also his 14th birthday today.
Thanks, Uncle Michael. Actually, I just wanted to play with your daughter. I don't know how it turned out like this. I'll be more careful from now on.
It is nothing. It was just kids fooling around. Rose just made a big deal out of it. She insisted on taking it to court. So embarrassing.
Not to be harsh, Michael, but your wife is so out of her league. Senior Rachel was a top student in our law program, and now she is a top attorney at a top firm. And Rose Carter still thought she could get one over on her in court. How ridiculous.
Yeah, Michael. Back in the day, you were the star of our program. So how'd you end up with someone as plain as Rose Carter?
Exactly. We all thought you two were a couple.
What are you saying? Michael and I are just friends. Stop trying to play matchmaker. Right, bestie?
What do you mean, play matchmaker? One of you is a CEO and the other's a top lawyer. You are a perfect match.
Yeah.
Look, Michael. Just kick that Rose Carter to the curb and get with Senior Rachel.
Exactly.
All right. That is enough. Come on. Another toast to my brotherhood with Michael.
All right. Enough about me. The star of the night is Senior Rachel. To Senior Rachel, soon to be a partner at Metro Legal Partners. She is truly the strongest and most brilliant woman.
Isn't that Senior Rachel's favorite flower? Red tulips, Michael. And you said you were just friends. You were hiding this from us.
I like red roses.
How about this? Red tulips. Trust me, it suits you better. And its meaning is passionate, intense love.
Under the guise of friendship, you are secretly in love. Michael, you are so lost in your own fantasy.
Alright. This last drink is for my best friend, Michael Carter. Thank you. Since I've been back, you helped me find a place, got me a job, and even helped me pick up and drop off Lucas. Enough said. Here's to you.
Bestie, Lucas and I got kicked out by our landlord.
What? Don't worry. I'll be right there.
What is wrong?
My friend has an emergency. I have to go handle it.
Michael, I picked up Hannah, but we're stuck in the rain. Where are you?
I have to go get my friend. Just take a cab home with Hannah.
So that friend of his was always Rachel. Some brotherly bond.
Uncle Michael, you and my mom crossed arms. Should I start calling you Daddy now?
Yeah, Michael. Didn't I tell you back then that when I had a kid, you'd be the godfather? You haven't forgotten, have you?
I remember. I'll always be your strongest support.
Hop! Daddy! Daddy! You are my daddy! I don't like that boy. He always bullies me. I only want you to be my daddy.
Hannah! Rose! What are you doing here? And you brought the kid.
Why did you sign the settlement without me? I told you, I won't accept any kind of settlement.
Rose, it is just kids fighting. Why are you making it out to be bullying? Do you really have to take Senior Rachel to court? Do you know who Senior Rachel is? She is a top attorney, and you. Just a housewife stuck at home all day. What do you know about the law?
Michael, how could you say that? Rose, I apologize for Michael. Enough said. Here's to you.
Disgusting!
What are you doing? Rose!
Alright, go comfort your little wife. After all, she is not as easygoing as I am.
Rose! 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 I was just drunk. I was just joking. Don't take it seriously.
I wasn't drunk. Let's get a divorce.
You can have everything else. I am taking Hannah.
Can you stop making a scene? Don't you know who you are? You are the wife of a CEO. Your marriage is not your decision. Besides, you just had a fight with Rachel, and now you want a divorce. How is Rachel supposed to face anyone?
Even now, you are still only worried about Rachel.
I told you, we're just friends. Why won't you believe me? Take Hannah home. I'll finish up here. Then I'll go.
Come here, sweetie. Drink your milk and go to bed. Sweetie, this is from your dad. Your birthday present. You always cherish this.
'Cause of Daddy.
It is okay. Sweetie, let's not have Daddy anymore.
Hey!
It never shines on me. In my heart, I've secretly married you once.
Will you marry me?
Say yes! Say yes! Say yes! I do. Kiss her! Kiss her!
So, in those 30 seconds when I proposed, who were you thinking of? Whose face was it?
You keep claiming it was self-defense. But why? After the attack, did you deliberately wipe your fingerprints off the pipe? Was that a reflex from a blank mind? Your Honor, all the evidence points to the defendant. I asked for the most just verdict.
All right!
The court will now deliver the verdict. Defendant Thomas Blake, for the crime of intentional homicide, is sentenced to 20 years in prison. Court is adjourned.
Rose Carter, I love you. I hope I can become a lawyer like you. Could you sign your book for me?
Of course. Edward, this is my last case. I am getting married.
Water. I need water.
Here are some papers. Sign them.
Rose, it is our anniversary. How do you want to celebrate?
Today, let's just eat at home. Besides, I have something to tell you. Let's just call it our final goodbye.
Right.
Today, open up.
It started raining outside. Good thing, the wine. And the flowers are fine. Hey, after all these years, you're still using my birthday as the door code. You are not secretly in love with me, are you?
You two really know each other inside out.
You have this book. And it is signed. This is mine now. Rose Carter is my idol. Besides, Rose probably can't understand a legal book this advanced.
I don't know where this book came from. If you like it, it is yours. Oh, right. What are you doing here?
It is your anniversary. I knew you dropped the ball, so your bro, stepped in. I've got it all covered. Oops. I'm gonna go shower. I remember the bathroom is over there.
Rachel. Rachel, Rose's clothes are in there.
You forgot again. I don't like that frilly, girly stuff. All that lace and frills. Just get me one of your shirts or a t-shirt.
Oh, okay.
I am not feeling well. I am going to my room.
Don't go. We were just about to open a bottle.
Ignore her. Let's just drink.
Sure.
Rose, have you thought about coming back with your credentials? Leaving the legal world back then was such a waste.
Senior Edward, I'll come back. But I have one condition. My first case back will be my daughter's bullying case. Hannah, even without Dad, Mom can still get revenge for you. From now on, I need you to do one thing for me. Okay. Remember this. If Lucas Grant bullies you again, do this.
Why?
Good girl. Just do what Mom says. Okay.
Okay. Mom, if you and Dad are going to live apart, don't leave me.
How could Mom ever leave you? What happened?
Nothing. I got it playing at school. Dad said not to tell.
Okay. Okay. Mom won't ask. It is okay.
Rachel, I won't let Lucas Grant get off for just bullying. That is too easy for you. I'll make him face charges for home invasion. He'll rot in prison. My anniversary has become a tryst for Rachel and Michael. How ridiculous.
Back then, Michael and I used to drink together all the time. I always took care of him. Sometimes we'd drink too much, and we'd even share a bed. You don't mind, do you?
Do as you please.
Rose Carter, you are so composed. Let's see. How long you can last?
Teacher, I am transferring Hannah Carter.
Hi, you are here. Hannah's mom. Are you sure you want to transfer her?
Yeah. I don't think this environment is good for Hannah anymore.
I understand. So, I took the liberty of inviting Lucas' grandparents here. You can all talk it out. Hi. Lucas' parents, you are finally here.
You mean, they're Lucas Grant's parents?
Yeah.
Hannah's mom, I told you. It is just kids fooling around. It is nothing. Why are you making such a big deal out of it? And you had to tell the teacher.
Instead of rushing to be some other kid's dad, why don't you spare some energy for your own daughter?
Wait, whose parent are you exactly?
I know, me showing up as Lucas's dad today upset you, but I was just doing Rachel a favor. We're just friends. Why won't you believe me?
Ask yourself, do you even believe that?
Rose, now you are just being ridiculous. Your disbelief doesn't make it false. Michael and I have known each other for years. We'd have been together long ago.
It is not too late now. Hannah! Hannah! What did you do to Hannah?
I barely pushed her. She just fell. With
Lucas!
Lucas!
What happened?
Are you okay, Lucas? Come.
my hand is bleeding.
Michael! They're bullying our daughter in our own home, and you are taking their side. In your eyes, what is Hannah to you?
Enough. Stop making a big deal out of nothing. Just look at yourself. You are acting like a shrew. Can't you be more like Rachel and have some class?
Classy? Fine. I've already sued. When Lucas Grant is in court, let's see if Rachel can still be so classy.
I am done arguing with you. You stay home and think about what you've done. Lucas, let's go.
Rose, you are suing me. Do you even know how to file a lawsuit? To sue my son? Do you even know what law to use?
On the court date, we'll see. Are you okay? Are you hurt anywhere? Michael, since you can't protect our daughter, then I'll have to do it my way. To protect her.
You can stay here for now. It is close to the firm, and it is very convenient.
Thanks, Senior Edward.
You don't have to thank me. Oh, right. I've lined up some interviews for you with the top magazines. When they heard Rose Carter was making a comeback, they were all scrambling to book you.
Okay, schedule them. For the day of my court appearance.
By the way, Rose, this case. Are you sure you can win?
My goal now isn't to win. It is to put Lucas Grant behind bars.
Lucas, what happened between you and Hannah?
I wanted to see Hannah's piggy bank. She wouldn't let me. We were tugging at it. And the piggy bank accidentally fell and broke.
Michael, you don't believe Lucas. Come on, we're close. Why would I let my own son bully Hannah?
Come on. I know you meant no harm, but Rose, she just won't let this go. She insists on taking it to court.
Over something so small? Really?
Don't worry. I've ordered all the top lawyers in the city not to take this case. She can't win.
You're the most reliable. Rose Carter's just a housewife. She's powerless. Without Michael, she's nothing. Why should I be afraid of her? But when we go to court, if I make your little wife cry, will you get all soft?
Don't be ridiculous. Go ahead. Crush her. For years, being Mrs. Carter has made her life too easy. It is good for her to suffer. Yeah? What? A lawyer took Rose Carter's case? That is impossible. I already warned every lawyer in the city. They all know the deal. No one would dare cross me.
Come on. Rose is just a housewife. No connections, no education. How could she possibly find a lawyer to help her? Even if she could, it'd be some no-name hack.
I think it is probably some third-rate lawyer trying to ride the hype of this case to boost their own profile.
Very likely. After all, the title Mrs. Carter still has a certain allure.
Regarding Carter Holdings, the case filed by the CEO's wife is now in court. It will go to trial soon.
I am not trying to talk behind her back, but Rose, she is so disrespectful to you. She doesn't care about the public opinion and insists on suing you. She is throwing you to the wolves.
When the time comes, don't hold back. Go all out. Teach her a lesson. Hello? Look into Rose Carter's attorney. Find out who they are. Hello?
Sir, we can't find any info on their attorney.
Nothing.
Not even a trace. Just a no-name hack.
Let's go.
Mr. Carter, as we understand, your wife is suing the son of the woman standing next to you. Rachel Grant, you are here with the defendant. What is the reason for that?
Yeah, what is the reason? Come on, tell us. We heard you ordered all law firms in the capital not to take this case. But we hear the plaintiff has found a lawyer. Who do you think is going against you? Come on, tell us. Go on.
It doesn't matter who it is.
As you can see, a case this hopeless, no experienced lawyer would take.
Exactly. We're certain they're just a third-rate lawyer chasing clout.
Hey, looks like the plaintiff's attorney is here. Hey, let's go. Hurry.
Hello, everyone. I am the plaintiff's attorney, Rose Carter. Hello, everyone. I am the plaintiff's attorney, Rose Carter.
Rose Carter? You are kidding. How could you possibly be a lawyer? And you are even wearing a lawyer's robe.
Rose, look at yourself. Take off that robe. Now.
What right do you have to order me?
Oh, Rose. Some people can pull off the part. You are just a housewife who knows nothing. How dare you pose as a lawyer? Wearing a lawyer's robe doesn't make you a lawyer. Do you even know what a bar card is?
Stop this nonsense. You've embarrassed us enough.
I am causing a scene. I am fighting for our daughter, for justice.
Our daughter is fine. Why do you have to make this a public spectacle? And now you are posing as a lawyer. Rose, have you even considered my reputation and the company's?
Michael, at a time like this, all you care about is your career and your image. You are just as disappointing as ever.
Leaving so soon? Why the rush? Afraid of being exposed as a fake lawyer?
These days, someone's at the courthouse posing as a lawyer. What nerve?
Right. Posing as a lawyer is a crime. It is a serious offense and can land you in jail.
Did you hear that? Either apologize and get lost, or show us your bar card.
Fine. Since you are so eager to see my bar card, then I'll indulge you. Fine. Since you all want to see my bar card, I'll indulge you.
Enough, Rose. I know you are still upset about me and Senior Rachel, but you can't impersonate a lawyer. Take off that suit right now. Come home with me.
Michael, we're over. You have no say.
Over? What do you mean? Over? I am your husband.
Rose, I get it. For all these years, you've been stuck in the kitchen. You want to be like me, a successful, independent woman, and be the perfect mom in your child's eyes. But you made one fatal mistake, impersonating a lawyer.
How do you know I am faking it?
To be a lawyer, you first have to pass the bar exam. That alone weeds out countless people. Back in the day, I took it 3 times before I passed. And you, from a humble background, with a basic education, and you've never even touched the law. There is no way you could pass it so quickly.
My background is humble. My education is basic. How would you know?
Rose, drop the act. No one's laughing at you. You are not ordinary. You get to be a housewife. Here is a free legal tip for you. A basic one. A basic one. Impersonating a lawyer is a criminal offense. If you admit you are wrong and leave now, maybe you'll get off easy.
Then I'll tell you this. Under the Criminal Code, Section 246, if you keep slandering me for not being a lawyer, I have the right to sue you. In serious cases, you could face up to 3 years in prison.
It is a real bar card.
She really has a bar card. It is real.
Impossible. Impossible. How could Rose Carter have a bar card? Absolutely impossible.
You actually fought Senior Rachel by getting a fake ID. Are you out of your mind?
Give me my bar card back. By law, damaging a bar card is illegal.
I am tearing it up. Better than you posing as a lawyer.
You dare! You'll pay for this. You'll regret it.
Stop the act. There is a limit. With a fake license, that is illegal. Besides, even if you were a real lawyer, so what? You are just a shyster. You are a nobody in the field.
Name or no name, I can still beat you.
Bluffing. Do you even know what an elite law firm is? Or a top-tier firm? How many chapters in criminal law? How many articles? And how many textbooks have you read? The must-read for lawyers. Law. Restoring Clarity. Have you read it? Oh, right. This is by my idol, Rose Carter. A must-read. And it has her autograph. Have you read it?
I've not only read it, but no one knows this book better than me. Because I am Rose Carter. I am the author. Because I am Rose Carter, I wrote this book. She is the author.
You're Rose Carter. That is the funniest joke I've heard all day. Do you even know who Rose Carter is? She's not just my idol. She is the top lawyer in the country. And you are just a clueless housewife.
Right. Rose Carter not only wrote Law, Restoring Clarity, but made it an indispensable textbook for legal education. And in practice, she broke record after record. She is the only lawyer in the country with a 100% win rate ever.
Even though she is retired, her legend will live on forever. and Rose Carter has the nerve to impersonate her. Despicable!
Rose, can you just stop this? Ever since I've known you, you've never touched a law book. Aren't you embarrassed enough?
Rose, just go home and do the laundry. That is more your speed. Memorizing laws. You can't do that.
Besides, being a housewife is just as respectable. As for memorizing laws, how do you know I can't?
Do you know what is on the title page of Law Restoring Clarity?
Clear the fog. Restore law to its true form.
Right, that is the line.
What is the title of Chapter 7?
The essence of law.
Chapter 5's title?
The boundaries of law.
She got them all right. Could she really be Rose Carter?
Impossible. It is just a coincidence. I get it. You got this book from your house. You must have flipped through it and memorized it. There is no way you are Rose Carter.
She is not Rose Carter. And you are... any nobody. Can just run their mouth here.
Senior.
He is a partner at Summit and Lane. Edward Lane. He is usually very reclusive. Today, he came out for Rose Carter. Looks like this Rose Carter is a big deal.
Yeah. Who are you?
Let me introduce myself. Edward Lane, Summit and Lane. And Rose is senior.
Senior? Since when do you have a senior? How come I didn't know? Senior. Since when do you have a senior? How did I not know?
There's a lot you don't know. And there is more.
Since everyone's here, I am announcing that Rose Carter will officially become Summit and Lane's new partner.
Wow! Summit and Lane actually chose such a young lawyer as a partner.
Looks like Rose Carter is really something special.
What is so special about her? I bet there is something fishy going on.
Hey, ma'am, you can eat anything, but watch what you say.
No wonder Rose is so confident now. So that is it. She is sleeping with Summit and Lane's boss.
Rose Carter, is it because of this man that you've become like this?
I get it now. You saw that Rose Carter has been out of the game for a decade, so you teamed up with Summit and Lane to pull off this imposter scheme, right? What a clever plan.
Rose, don't keep making the same mistake. And just to get to me, you even found another man.
Michael Carter, watch your mouth, watch what you say. I've never lied to anyone. Not even now.
Still denying it, Rose. You should just admit it. It is better than being exposed.
Rose Carter! Rose, I can't believe I am seeing you again. Can I get a picture with you?
Of course.
What did you just call her?
Rose Shi.
How could she be? Rose Yu. She is just a clueless housewife. She has never even had any legal training.
But she is. It was because of her encouragement that I am here today. A passionate, ambitious lawyer. Remember when you signed this book for me?
Impossible. How could Rose Carter be? Rose Shu. Rose Shu is a legal legend. It can't be her. This clueless housewife, Rose Shu. How could Rose Carter be Rose Yishu? Rose Yishu is a legendary lawyer. It can't be her. This clueless housewife.
Psycho. Thanks, Rose Shu.
Wait, didn't someone just say that Rose Xu was her idol? Her idol. Attorney Grant. If she is your idol, you should recognize Rose right here. Not be completely clueless. Not even knowing what she looks like. Allow me to reintroduce to you all. Standing before you now is the legal world's legend, with a perfect record. The Iron Rose. Rose Carter.
Rose is she?
Right, she.
Rose Carter! She's even more impressive in person. The legendary Rose Carter is so young, beautiful, and elegant.
Now that you are back, what are your plans?
You've all been fooled. Those three. They're all in on it. Rose Carter, you are out of your mind. Why impersonate anyone? Why Rose Carter? She is a legal legend. A legend.
Thank you for the praise, but a fan like you is no honor to me.
What did you say?
Rachel, I swore I'd never hit a woman. Don't make me break that vow. Rachel!
Rose, you'd better have an explanation.
There's nothing to explain. You never even tried to get to know me.
At the door! Stop this commotion! Oh, it is Rose Carter. Welcome back. I look forward to your performance.
Yes, Your Honor.
He said she is Rose Carter.
Yeah, right.
It is really Rose Carter.
Rose Carter. Even if you really are Rose Carter, so what? It has been 10 years since you were in court. You've been stuck in the daily grind, dealing with trivialities. You've long lost your courtroom edge. But me? I've been in the trenches. I refuse to lose to you.
Then, let's wait and see.
Rose Carter. So you are the one, the legendary Rose Sue. But so what? You are up against me today in a bullying case. You are doomed. Your perfect win record won't last. Everyone knows. The hardest part of bullying cases is gathering evidence and making it stick. You have no proof that Lucas bullied your daughter. As far as I know, there are no witnesses to testify for you. So how are you going to convict my son?
Aunt Rose, do you know what Hannah does when she is scared? You know what Hannah Carter does when she is scared? What is her little habit? She loves to cry and call for her mommy. She is such a little lamb, Baba.
You. You and your son will pay the price. From today on, I'll make sure you can never hurt anyone again.
Let's see if you have what it takes.
But, thanks for the evidence you just handed me. It won't get you convicted. But at least, it can be used as supporting evidence.
What do you mean?
Crying for her mommy. She is such a little lamb.
Give me the phone.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Court is about to start. Plaintiff and defendant. Attorneys and defendant. Please enter now. To maintain order in the court and uphold its dignity, the following rules will now be read. 1. Obey the court's instructions and maintain order. 2. During the proceedings, no loud talking. 3. No unnecessary movement.
Why aren't they here yet?
Into the trial area. 4.
Don't worry, Rosie.
They'll be here. Questions. Parties and their attorneys must seek permission from the judge before speaking. 5. Upon entering the courtroom, all mobile devices must be turned off. That concludes the reading. All rise for the presiding judge.
Court is in session.
Your Honor, please. Wait, someone hasn't arrived.
Rose Carter, you've been a housewife for too long. You've forgotten all the laws and returned them to your teacher, haven't you? Do you think this is your living room, making the whole court wait for you? Who do you think you are?
Regardless of who you are or what your reason is, you may not disrupt the court's order. And I hope the plaintiff's attorney understands.
Your Honor, don't blame her. She's been away from law for too long. She's forgotten the rules.
If the plaintiff continues to disrupt, it will be considered a voluntary waiver of her right to defend. The defendant will be granted an immediate appeal.
Wait!
If the plaintiff continues to disrupt the proceedings, the plaintiff will be considered to have waived their right to defend. The defendant will be granted an immediate appeal.
Wait! We're here, Attorney Carter.
You are finally here.
Have a seat.
Your Honor, we can begin.
Rose, this list should help you.
Here.
It is the contact info for the Northside bullying case, victims' parents from the past 2 years. If they can testify, it should help Hannah's case gain more traction. And in the process, it'll give them some closure and hope.
Hello, this is Rose Carter. I heard a year ago you sued the school for bullying, but you lost. Would you like to see how the bullies get their comeuppance? I heard a year ago you sued for school bullying, but you lost. Would you like to see how the bully falls into hell?
Aren't those the ones from the past few years? The ones who lost the bullying cases?
I think that is them. I remember them.
By bringing them here, Attorney Carter has surely greatly increased this case's public impact. Could this be why Attorney Carter insisted on waiting for them to arrive?
Rose Carter. So this is your little plan, using public pressure to push the judge.
Order!
Hannah Carter v. Lucas Grant, bullying case. Court is in session.
First, the plaintiff's attorney will present the facts, grounds, and claims.
First, we ask the court to convict the defendant of intentional injury. Second, we ask the defendant to pay $1 million for emotional damages and medical costs. Third, we ask for a public apology. Fourth, the defendant must cover our legal fees.
Now, the defendant's attorney will present the facts, grounds, and claims.
We move to dismiss all of the plaintiff's claims, and we demand the plaintiff pay $1 million for the false accusation against our client. And we are suing the plaintiff for the false accusation against our client for $1 million.
That concludes the claims. Plaintiff, please present your evidence.
Next, I'd like to call our client, Hannah Carter, to recount the bullying. It is okay, Hannah. Just tell us what you told me at home. Just repeat it.
When my brother and I were playing games, he always made me do dangerous things, like jumping from high places. If I didn't, he'd take a needle and stab my wrist. It bled.
What? How is that possible? How could Lucas do that to Hannah?
Great job. Now, can you tell me who the brother is?
Hannah, you really hurt me.
What? How is that possible? How could Lucas do that to Hannah?
Your Honor, members of the jury, based on my client's testimony and the marks on her body, the defendant repeatedly subjected my client to physical harm and threats. Therefore, our case is fully justified.
Look at those marks. That is definitely bullying.
Who knows when those marks happened? There is no proof.
Order! Now, the defense may proceed.
Your Honor, members of the jury, the plaintiff claims that the marks on her body are from my client's bullying. But I ask, aside from her testimony, is there any other evidence? How can you prove that these marks were caused by my client?
I ask,
May I ask, other than her testimony, is there any other evidence? How can you prove that these injuries were caused by my client? Presiding judge.
Plaintiff's attorney, do you have any evidence?
No.
If testimony alone is enough to convict someone, then this is a farce. Your Honor, I hope you will give my client a fair and just outcome. Don't let the law become a tool for personal vengeance.
Plaintiff's attorney, do you have any additional evidence?
No. Don't worry, Hannah. Mommy will get you justice.
Rose Carter. Oh no, Rose Carter. From today on, your winning streak is about to be broken by me. From now on, your legend in law is over.
Who let you in?
Your Honor, I move to have this trial broadcast live, so that anyone who falsely accuses others of bullying can see what is in store for them.
The trial is now at a critical stage. Rose Carter is at a disadvantage due to a lack of evidence.
If she doesn't present evidence soon, she is sure to lose this case. And the challenge she is facing is also the difficulty of legally defining bullying.
Is she going to lose again? My son lost his case because of a lack of evidence. We shouldn't have trusted Attorney Carter. She can't even win her own child's case, and she talks about sending bullies to hell. What a waste of time.
Order. Order. Plaintiff's counsel, do you have any evidence to present proving the defendant's intentional harm? If not, I will now deliver the verdict.
Your Honor, please, deliver the verdict. If the plaintiff's attorney had any evidence, she would have presented it by now. Why wait until now?
Very well. Then I will deliver the verdict.
Wait, Your Honor. While I have no new evidence to prove the defendant's intentional harm, I am adding a new charge. This new charge is unrefutable. I am charging Lucas Grant with home invasion.
You've been a housewife for too long, you can't even get the charges right. Lucas never committed a home invasion. So where is this home invasion charge coming from?
Is Rose Carter really that out of touch with the legal world? She can't even get the charges right. We're fighting for assault and bullying, not home invasion.
I agree. One's a 10-year housewife. The other's a top lawyer. This time, the defendant's sure to win again.
What nonsense. Lucas never did any of that.
Michael, you really haven't disappointed me. Even now, you are still so stubborn. Even now, you still don't trust her. Michael, you really haven't disappointed me. Even now, you are still so stubborn. Even now, you still don't trust her.
Order. The court must remain quiet. Plaintiff's counsel, I must warn you. If the motion you file is based on no factual or legal basis, it will be considered perjury and you will face criminal charges.
Your Honor, I am fully aware of what I am doing. The charge I am adding is home invasion robbery. The evidence is on this USB drive.
PF50. She actually has evidence. Did you do it?
No, but I didn't do it.
Granted.
Huh, so that is it. So this is home invasion.
It is just kids messing around. How is that home invasion?
What you call messing around legally is defined differently.
Why didn't you tell me you forced Hannah to get the money? And you hid the $500 too.
I didn't know. Is it that serious?
Order. Defense counsel, please control yourself. Plaintiff's counsel, you may continue.
Yes, Your Honor. The footage shows Lucas Grant illegally entered Hannah Carter's home and robbed her of $500. This act clearly constitutes home invasion. I move for home invasion and intentional injury that he be sentenced to over 10 years.
What? You can do that. Attorney Carter really didn't lie to us.
That is my idol. She actually used a method like this to punish the bully.
But couldn't this just be kids messing around? That is not home invasion, is it? And sentencing him to over 10 years. Isn't that sentence too harsh?
Lucas Grant broke into a home and stole cash. That is basically a conviction for home invasion. Rose's move is solid.
What do I do? What do I do? I can't go to jail.
Number, I can't just sit here.
What do I do? What do I do? I don't want to go to jail.
Number, I can't just sit here and do nothing. Your Honor, I have reason to suspect the plaintiff's attorney and the other party conspired to install a camera in the room, lured Lucas Grant into the room, and entrapped him.
Your Honor, I have another USB drive. That proves my client's home camera has always been there. It wasn't installed for this robbery. On purpose.
Granted.
The defendant's attorney in this video and the plaintiff's father, those two. What is their relationship?
The plaintiff and defendant's relationship is a complete mess. Enjoy the show.
Your Honor, I move to strike this evidence. This violates my privacy.
Your Honor, this camera was installed in my client's home. The defendant's attorney entered my client's home and was recorded. This is not an invasion of privacy.
Motion denied. I now declare a recess. In 1 hour, the verdict will be announced. I now declare a recess. In 1 hour, the verdict will be announced.
Lucas, are you okay? What is wrong? Your Honor, my client has had low blood sugar since childhood. When it is severe, he convulses and even faints. Now, he must be having an episode.
I declare recess. In 7 days, we will reconvene.
Your Honor, I have reason to suspect they're deliberately stalling. We can't recess now.
Miss Carter, if something happens, who is responsible? Recess.
Rose, it is okay. We'll handle it. Whatever comes.
At this point, Rachel Grant has only one path left to take. And that path is her dead end.
How was that, Mom? My performance. How was it?
You were great. Your timing was perfect that way. I have time to prepare your appeal.
We still have a chance to appeal?
Of course we do. But there is one thing you must remember.
But...
No buts. At the hearing, you have to stick to our story. You can't make a single mistake.
Okay.
Lucas. Rachel.
Michael, what are you doing here? At a time like this, we shouldn't be meeting.
I came to check on Lucas. He looks pretty good.
Lucas is fine. It is me. I've let you and Hannah down. I am ashamed to face you.
Rachel, I came to tell you. It is not easy raising Lucas alone. It is understandable to slip up. As long as he learns from his mistakes, he is still a good kid.
Do you really think so?
Lucas, as long as you learn from this, you'll still be my good boy. Okay.
Michael, I have an awkward request. Could you sign a letter of forgiveness for this case?
How was that, Mom?
Michael, I have a favor to ask. Could you sign a letter of forgiveness? This case. Let's settle it.
Well, after all, Hannah was really hurt. Besides, this case is Rose's. I can't interfere.
I get it. You are family, after all.
Rachel, that is not what I meant.
All right. Enough. Go home. Lucas needs to rest.
All right. Get some rest. I'll get going. Oh.
Pathetic. You think you can take me? Not for years. Plumbing's fixed. I am out.
There is nothing to hide. Between Michael and me, there are no secrets.
Rose, we're not divorced yet. And you are already with another man, being all cozy.
So you haven't been home in days.
What do you mean?
Nothing. Go home and see for yourself. You'll know. You came here. What do you want?
I came to ask you, at the trial, go easy on him. Give Lucas a break.
You are here. What do you want?
I am here to ask you something. At the trial, go easy on him. Give Lucas a chance.
Michael Carter, did you not see Hannah's injuries? Or did you not see Lucas Grant rob her?
I know, but... Look, just give Lucas a chance. He'll change. If you want, I promise, I'll never see Senior Rachel again. We'll be a family of 3 and live a good life.
What is so funny?
Nothing. You are just so cute.
Haha, what a fool. He has no idea. He already signed the divorce papers.
Get out. Both of you. Out.
Rose. Rose.
Out.
Rose. Stop. You and Rose, what is your relationship anyway?
Right now, just seniors. But in the future, who knows? What? So insecure? Or is it that a man is in front of Rose and you're scared?
Pathetic. How is it?
It is pretty. Daddy's a dummy. Daddy's a meanie.
Okay. Daddy's sorry. Sorry.
There. Daddy's a dummy. Let's not play with him. Mommy will help you build a new one, okay?
My wish is to always be with Mommy and Daddy together.
Let's blow out the candles. Happy birthday, sweetie.
Happy birthday.
I want to do this again next year.
Okay. Anytime. What do you mean?
Nothing. Go back and see for yourself. You'll see.
A divorce agreement? When did I sign this? Was it that time?
Hello, the number you dialed is not answering.
They want to settle. Do you want to consider it?
Number. I am Hannah Carter's sole legal guardian. I won't settle, and I won't sign a waiver. Please tell Rachel Grant and her son exactly that.
Rose.
Sole legal guardian.
Rose.
What are you doing here?
Rose. Rose. Rose! I was drunk when I signed the divorce papers. It doesn't count. What do you mean? Just a kid, and I get nothing. I don't agree.
You can disagree, but this agreement is notarized. It is valid. If that is all, you can leave now.
Mommy.
Hannah. Rose, why are we getting a divorce? Our family of 3. Weren't we happy?
Happy? That is your idea of happiness. Did you ever care about me and Hannah? Hannah's allergic to peanuts. Did you know that? Hannah had a fever when it spiked to almost 104 degrees. Where were you? You were on a plane, flying to see Rachel Grant. Since you weren't there when we needed you most, you weren't by our side. Then now, there is no point in staying together. Go to your senior Rachel. Hannah and I have our own life to live.
Rose, I know I've messed up a lot of things, but we're a family. The 3 of us. How can you just joke about divorce?
I am not kidding. The divorce papers are signed. I just want the child. I want nothing else. We're even.
Rose.
Michael. Michael.
Rose. 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 You are finally back. You've forgiven me, haven't you?
Yes. I am back. Are you happy?
I am happy. Of course I am happy. Rose, please, never leave me again, okay?
Okay.
Rose. Rachel? What are you doing here?
What, Rose? No, Rose. Just me.
Rachel, I'm sorry. I thought Rose was back. I drank too much last night.
It is okay. I know. You men are all the same. Zip up. And you are a stranger.
Rachel, that is not what I meant. I really thought Rose was back.
Michael Carter, since you are divorced now, how about we get together?
Rachel, I'm sorry. We shouldn't have done this. I'm sorry. If in the past I gave you the wrong impression, I apologize. But right now, in my heart, there is only Rose.
I was just kidding. We're bros, right? But being occasional friends with benefits could work better than some random girl. At least you know me.
Rachel, don't be like that. I am sorry. I am sorry. What can I do to make it up to you? Anything. What do you want in return? Anything.
Really? Anything. Then I want Rose Carter's forgiveness with that letter. Even if I lose the case, Lucas can get probation.
Well...
What? Is that a problem? Fine, forget it. Besides, you know me. I am so careless. What if I accidentally slip up and tell Rose Carter what happened last night? Then you have no chance of fixing it.
Fine. I'll do it.
What an idiot. Actually, last night, nothing happened. A single towel was enough to get you all worked up. Actually, last night, nothing happened. A bath towel was enough. Enough to get your imagination running wild.
Edward, you are here. Have a seat.
Rose, your favorite red roses.
Mom caught a fish. Mom's on shore. She puts the fish in the bucket.
Surprise!
Mom likes red roses, not tulips. I remember. Dad, how come you still can't remember?
What is wrong?
Thanks, Edward. You remember my favorite.
Uncle Edward, let's go. The doctor is waiting.
Okay, let's go.
Be good. Hannah, go play by yourself for a bit. Dr. Smith, about Hannah's mental state. How is she doing?
Don't worry. Now that she has been removed from the source of harm, her overall mental state has improved a lot. With regular checkups, I am sure she'll be better soon.
Thank you, doctor.
You are welcome, but this is a critical time for her recovery. You must protect her mental health. Make sure she doesn't get hurt again.
Okay. We'll be careful.
Feeling better now. In just 7 days. Once Rachel and Lucas are locked up, Hannah will be even happier.
Get your hands off her. Get your hands off her.
Enough. Hannah's here.
Get out here.
What are you doing?
Rose, I need to talk to you.
Cycle.
Spit it out. I am worried. Hannah's all alone. So, what is it? If that is all, I am leaving.
Wait. Can you write Lucas a letter of forgiveness?
What did you say? What did you say? You want me to forgive the person who hurt Hannah. Rachel put you up to this, didn't she?
Number. This was my idea. I know Lucas hurt Hannah, but he is still just a kid. Can't you just give him a chance?
We both know Lucas Grant is an adult. He must take responsibility for his actions. Besides, as a lawyer, I can't let any criminal get away. And as a mother, I can't just let the person who hurt Hannah get away.
Can't you just reconsider? Look, if you just give Lucas a letter of forgiveness, Rachel and I will agree to any terms. Can't you just reconsider? Look, if you just give Lucas a letter of forgiveness, Rachel and I will agree to any terms.
So Rachel didn't send you. So now you two speak for each other. Is that it?
That is not what I meant.
I don't care what you two are. I am not signing that letter. Go tell Rachel. If she's got the guts, she can see me in court.
Rose?
How'd it go? What did Michael want?
He asked me to give Lucas Grant a letter of forgiveness. I think he has lost his mind. He is out of his mind.
So you do swear. And here I thought the polished attorney Carter was always so serious. Michael, he is probably not just out of his mind. He is being used. I think this is the real reason he asked you for the letter.
You mean Michael and Rachel, they're sleeping together? So now they're in it together.
Look, Michael Carter. He is a real piece of work. But I think he and Rachel are just senior and junior. He probably fell for Rachel's trap.
I thought you would kick Michael while he is down. I am surprised you are defending him.
Do I seem like that kind of person? I am definitely not. I don't kick people when they're down. Even playing fair. I can still beat him.
Beat him at what?
Your heart. Even fairly, I can beat him.
Beat him at what?
Your heart.
Edward, I just got out of a failed relationship. And I am still fighting Hannah's case. I am completely exhausted. For now, I am not looking for a relationship.
Right, I am pursuing you. But I also know how you are feeling. Don't worry. I'll wait until you are ready. So, wasn't that smooth?
Fine. I get it. I'll handle it myself.
What are you doing, Rachel? Don't you dare harass Rose.
Edward, take Hannah up first. I'll be up in a bit.
Let's go.
What? Michael couldn't get me to sign the letter, so you are desperate.
Rose, Lucas and I know we were wrong. What do we have to do to make you let us go?
Aunt Rose, I was wrong. I shouldn't have hurt Hannah. I traumatized her. I feel so guilty. Please give me another chance. I promise I'll turn my life around.
You're not sorry. You were just scared of the sentence. Fine. How about this? Let your son suffer what my daughter did. Then I'll sign the letter.
Aunt Rose, I didn't mean to hurt Hannah. Maybe I took the joke too far, and that is what hurt Hannah physically and mentally. I am sorry. It was my fault. Punish me however you want.
Lucas, Rose, look!
Enough. Cut it out. Is this a joke? Cut it out. Is this a joke?
Carter, don't push it! Be smart! Sign the letter now!
Sign.
Let go! No, I won't sign.
Sign.
Stop. What are you doing? I made a vow. I don't hit women or kids. Don't make me slap you.
See that car over there? It has a dash cam. Even if you force me to sign, the dash cam will prove I was coerced. It won't be valid.
Fine. You win. Rose Carter. We'll see you in court.
Rachel Grant, I've fought more cases than you've ever read about. My advice, don't play games. Or else, I'll put you both behind bars. I've fought more cases than you've ever read about. So I'd advise you not to play games. Or else, I'll put you both behind bars.
It is too early to tell who wins. Let's go.
Are you okay? Should I get you some bodyguards?
No need. The trial's starting soon anyway. Everything will be settled.
Go!
Attorney Carter, the verdict is today. Do you think the outcome will be in your favor?
The defendant was sick last time, delaying the verdict. Do you think that changes anything?
I believe the law is just justice. We'll never yield to injustice.
It is Attorney Grant. Miss Grant, the last ruling was very damaging for your side. In the past week, have you gathered any more evidence to help your defense?
Like Miss Carter, I believe the law is just. But today's ruling will definitely surprise everyone. Stay tuned.
Court is in session. First, plaintiff, any new evidence to present?
Not at this time.
Defendant, any new evidence to present?
I have evidence here. It is enough to overturn the entire case. I have evidence here that will overturn the entire trial. Your Honor, please review.
Motion. Granted.
As you can see, this is a birth certificate proving my client's date of birth. At the time of the incident, my client, Lucas Grant, was not yet 14. Therefore, he bears no legal responsibility.
For real?
Just a few days, and he is not legally responsible.
Even one day makes a difference, because in our country, the age of criminal responsibility is based on the time of the crime. It is so outrageous.
Do not disrupt the court. Sit down.
Today was also his 14th birthday.
What is going on? But Senior Rachel said it was Lucas's birthday. Then this birth certificate. What is the deal?
What? You think Rachel's evidence is fishy?
What do you mean? You knew all along that Rachel would forge evidence.
Rose Carter, you schemed so hard to put my son behind bars. But in the end, you were outmaneuvered.
Who is outmaneuvered? That remains to be seen. Your Honor, 2 days ago, Rachel Grant at St. Mary's Hospital paid $500,000 to bribe an obstetrician to forge a birth certificate for Lucas Grant. It is the one you are holding.
And this is from St. Mary's Hospital, a newborn's birth certificate. This proves that Rachel Grant's birth certificate is forged. I also have other witnesses who can prove that Lucas Grant has already had his 14th birthday.
Stay calm. She might be bluffing.
Sick. Forging documents is a felony.
If someone can prove the defendant is over 14, that would prove the defense attorney forged the document. So now, a lawyer could actually go to jail.
I have to admit, at first, I was a bit harsh on Rose Carter.
Then, the plaintiff's first witness, please.
Rose Carter, you can fool me. But in court, lying to the judge and jury, that is contempt of court.
What are you waiting for? This is your chance from Rose.
Of course I know. It is just that this witness isn't ready to come forward yet. Actually, even if you don't come forward, I have other evidence and witnesses to prove it. But if you have a conscience, you should know this is your best chance to make amends. Actually, even if you don't come forward, I have other evidence and witnesses to prove it. But if you have a conscience, you should know this is your best chance to atone.
Plaintiff's counsel, have you convinced your witness to appear? This is a court of law, not a game.
Are you not going to come forward?
Plaintiff's counsel, I am giving you one last 3 seconds. If in those 3 seconds, your witness still doesn't appear, I'll hold you in contempt. Listen! Listen! 1.
Michael Carter, are you out of your mind? Think before you speak.
Your Honor, this is my first witness, Michael Carter.
Daddy!
He's not dead. I object. The witness and the plaintiff are related. His testimony is inadmissible.
Your Honor, first, the witness, Michael Carter, is my ex-husband, and I have full custody of our child. Second, even if the witness is related to the plaintiff, as long as there is other evidence to support it, his testimony is still admissible.
Objection, overruled.
Mr. Carter, on the 1st, at 7 p.m., where were you? Mr. Carter, on the 1st, at 7 p.m., where were you?
I was at the treasure room, attending a reunion with my college classmates.
Is anyone here from that reunion?
Yes, the defendant's attorney, Rachel Grant. She was my senior in college. And the defendant, Lucas Grant.
I hear this reunion had another purpose. What was it?
It was to celebrate someone's birthday.
Who was it?
The defendant, Lucas Grant. His 14th birthday.
So that means Lucas Grant is 14. His birthday is the 1st of November. When he committed the robbery, it was the 10th of November. He'd already had his birthday, so he can be held legally responsible.
And that means, as the defense attorney, Rachel Grant really perjured herself. That is a crime. She'll face legal consequences.
Your Honor, this is a conspiracy. Your Honor, Michael Carter and Rose Carter are in on it to frame my client. It is a conspiracy.
Your Honor, that is slander.
Defense counsel, watch your words and your tone. If there is nothing further, I will now deliver the verdict in the case of Hannah Carter v. Lucas Grant and for intentional assault, invasion, robbery.
All rise.
Both sides. Any final statements? Your Honor.
No.
Any final statements?
No.
Now, the court will announce the verdict. Lucas Grant. For the crimes of intentional assault and home invasion robbery, the facts are established. For these multiple offenses, the court sentences you to 3 years in prison. You are also ordered to pay Hannah Carter $1 million for emotional damages and medical expenses. You must also cover the plaintiff's legal fees. Court is adjourned.
I don't want to go to jail. I don't want to. All I did was take a few $100s from her and bully her a few times. Why do I have to go to jail? I don't want to go to jail.
Sir, be strong enough. I'll find a way to get you out.
I told you I'd get you justice. And I did, right?
Mom's the best. I love you. Mom.
I am filing another lawsuit. Your Honor, I am filing an additional lawsuit. I am suing Rachel Grant for disrupting court order and for perjury.
Another lawsuit. This time, she is dead set on putting the opposing counsel behind bars.
Motion. Granted.
Next, I'd like to call my witness to the stand. Please introduce yourself.
I am the Grant family's doctor, Dr. Smith.
Dr. Smith, I'd like to ask you, has Lucas Grant ever had low blood sugar?
No. According to Lucas Grant's medical records, he is in good health. He has no history of low blood sugar. Also, his symptoms at the last hearing were a perfect match for being induced.
That is a lie. You are slandering me. Was it Rose Carter? Did she pay you to slander me?
Your Honor, under the law, Lucas Grant feigned illness and disrupted the trial. This constitutes contempt of court. Also, to help Lucas Grant escape justice, forging and altering documents also violates the law.
Counsel, please remain quiet. Watch your tone, or else I'll hold you in contempt. Do you have anything further to add?
It is over. It is all over.
If both sides have no further evidence or testimony, I will now deliver the verdict.
All right.
Now, the verdict will be read. Rachel Grant, for contempt of court and perjury. The facts are established. For these multiple offenses, your law license is revoked. You are permanently barred from practicing law. You will also pay the plaintiff's legal fees. Court is adjourned.
That was amazing. Rose Carter just showed us a masterful courtroom performance. That is what a lawyer should be.
Attorney Carter, your case was a huge victory for us. You gave us hope.
Yes. Thank you so much, Attorney Carter. You let us witness the bullies get what they deserve.
This is a lawyer's duty. I'll represent you for free in school bullying cases, if you need me.
We need you so much. You're a godsend to us.
Attorney Carter, this will go down in history as a landmark case. Do you have anything to share?
It is the same message. Justice won't yield to injustice. Even if that injustice is small and skirts the law. Evil is evil, big or small.
Miss Carter, will you continue to handle the school bullying case?
Little Hannah, after everything you've been through, how are you feeling now? Are you still afraid to be around other kids?
Excuse me, everyone. She needs her rest. Regarding the case's development, Ms. Carter will make an announcement through Summit and Lane Law Firm's official account. Please make way. Thank you.
Miss Carter.
Rose!
I know I've done a lot of wrong. I am not asking you to forgive me right away, but at least, can you give me a chance to make it up to you? Hannah's follow-up, appointments, and parent-teacher conferences. I want to be there for all of them.
Mr. Carter, the divorce agreement is final. Rose and Hannah's life is none of your business.
I am Hannah's biological father. It is my right.
Right? What right?
Michael, if you really want to make it up, I don't mind. But the pace is up to Hannah. If she wants to see you, you can. If she doesn't, don't push it. Hannah, go talk to your dad if you want.
Dad.
Hannah, Daddy's so sorry. I shouldn't have treated you like that. Or your mom. Rose, I am sorry. I am guilty. I've always been so reckless. I neglected you. I neglected Hannah. You were both so good to me, but I was blind to it. I am guilty.
If you truly know you were wrong, then make it up to Hannah.
Don't worry. I'll spend the rest of my life repenting and making it up to Hannah. As for you, I know I can't go back. About Rachel.
That night, you and Rachel, nothing happened. You have cameras at home. We saw it all. She scammed you.
What? Really?
I only told you because I was afraid you were being played by Rachel. Otherwise, I wouldn't have bothered. It just gives me another rival.
Edward, not again. I've told you. Right now, romance isn't my priority.
Hey!
Who is there? Who is there?
Sorry, didn't mean to scare you.
What is with the big box? What is it for?
Guess what? I brought for Hannah. Hannah?
It is an astronomical telescope.
Didn't the doctor say to find some new hobbies? Uncle got this for you. I had a friend get it for you. If the weather's nice tomorrow night, I'll take you to the countryside to see the stars.
Really? That is awesome.
Go on, open it. Rose, about Rachel. She's up to something. Ever since she lost her license, she's been telling everyone that you are maliciously targeting her. She even wrote a long post online to smear you.
I'd like to see what other tricks she has up her sleeve.
This is all your fault. If you hadn't made me fake an illness and lie about my age, how could I have gotten such a long sentence? How could I get such a long sentence?
Mommy was only trying to help. I didn't want you to go to jail.
For my own good? You only cared about your ridiculous reputation. You've only ever cared about your own career and reputation. You never cared about me. I never want to see you again.
Oh, Rose, Carter, I won't let you get away with this. You will pay the price.
Good morning. I'll take you to school and work.
Rose, Hannah, want some breakfast? Coffee or soy milk? Panini or fried dough?
Get in my car. I have Hannah's favorite in the car. Disney dolls from Zootopia. Nick and Judy.
Really? Thanks, Dad.
No matter what you like in the future. Daddy will buy it for you. Let's go.
Hannah, you like Nick and Judy. Come with Uncle Edward. Uncle Edward will take you to Disney to see the real ones.
Really? Mommy, I want to go.
Come with Daddy.
Come with Uncle Edward.
Come with Daddy.
Come with Uncle Edward.
Come with Daddy. Come on, come on.
Sorry, you two. I just bought a car.
Let's go.
Sorry, I just bought a car. And I've already had breakfast, so I won't trouble you two.
Rose. Edward Lane, I know you like Rose, but after all, we were married for 10 years. Old flames die hard. The chance we get back together is much higher than you two ever getting together.
Michael, if you are so sure Rose will take you back, why are you here so early trying to win her over? It is a fair fight, 50-50.
Don't push me away. Lucas is in jail. You are all I have left.
Rachel, I am sorry. It is my fault. I mistook admiration for love. I thought I was in love with you. But actually, I've long been in love with Rose. She is the only one I love.
Impossible. You love me. Not that bitch. Rose Carter.
Rachel, I am sorry if my actions back then gave you the wrong idea. I sincerely apologize. I am willing to make it up to you in any way you want, except love. If hitting me will make you feel better, hit me as much as you want. I'll take it.
Mom, I see Jupiter. It is so bright. Uncle Edward gave me this telescope. I love it.
Glad you do. Rachel, is this your idea of revenge? So petty.
Rose. You saw it, right? Ignore her. It is baseless slander. Everyone in the field can see right through it. It won't affect your reputation.
I don't care what the industry thinks. I am worried this bad press will hurt the firm.
Mom, Uncle Edward told me the stars in the sky punish people. Aunt Rachel did something bad, so she'll get punished too.
Don't worry, Hannah. I won't let the bad guys hurt you and your mom. I'll get it.
Who is it?
No one. Wrong door. No one. Wrong door.
Rose? Are you in there? Rose? Rose.
What is he doing here?
Rose Rachel Grant's online post. I've seen it. Please don't take it to heart. I've already had our PR team handle it. The negative press will be buried soon. It won't affect you or the kid.
Mr. Carter, Rose is now a partner at Summit and Lane. Our firm has professional PR channels and a crisis management team. We'll handle it. You don't have to worry.
Thanks for the offer, but this, I'll handle it myself.
She is all action. That is Rose Carter for you.
Sycophant. But, Rose, you are really more decisive now.
You are no better.
Rose, there is still a lot at home. Of Hannah's clothes and toys. You left in a hurry last time. Tomorrow. Do you want to come over?
Tomorrow! She can tomorrow! Tomorrow! Rose has a community event. A volunteer event.
How about the day after? I am free then, too.
Rose has a trial the day after. Not then, either.
I am talking to Rose. Why are you butting in?
I am speaking as a partner at the firm, answering for Rose.
Mommy, my doll's still at home. Please, can you get it for me?
All right. Tomorrow morning.
Okay. I'll be home. See you then.
I have to talk to Rose.
It is late. Whatever it is, it can wait. Just go.
Why are you pushing me? Mommy, now that Daddy and Uncle Edward are both after you, which one do you like more?
You are a little wise guy.
I am 7 now. I am a big kid. So, Mommy, which one do you like more?
Well, that depends on how they perform. Michael! Michael! Did he change the code?
For you, my forever Rose.
I just came to get something. I'll be gone once I get it. You didn't have to go to all this trouble. You prepared all this.
I prepared all this just for you. All for you. Your favorite black forest cake, and your favorite medium rare steak, and your favorite song.
I can't stay for dinner. I have plans for lunch. I'll get my things and go.
Rose. Rose. You won't even have a meal with me anymore. I've done so much for you. For you, I got rid of Rachel, changed the door code, and I even prepared your favorite food. You won't even give me one chance. I really know I was wrong.
Michael, you don't understand what love is. Everything you've done is just to atone for yourself. You've never once considered my feelings. If you really loved me, you'd see things from my perspective, not just force things on me.
I don't know. Love. And you think Edward Lane does?
You still don't get it. We'll talk when you do.
It was you all along, seducing Michael. That is why he rejected me. Just you wait.
Ready, little warrior, tonight. We're going to camp out.
I am all ready. I can't wait. Let's go.
Slow down. Slow down. Hannah, look. That is Orion. See the 3 stars in the middle. That is its belt. And the 2 stars next to it are its shoulders and knees. Legend says he was a very brave hunter. He guards the night sky.
Really? So pretty. Just like Mom guards me.
That is right. Just like Mom guards you.
Edward Lane, Michael Carter, so annoying. Forget it. Not thinking about it.
Out of wine. The store over there should have some. Who is there? Who is there? Rose.
It is me.
Edward Lane, Michael Carter. What are you two doing here?
Rose, I am hurt too. Me too.
Right, you two. Why did you sneak after me? Going camping isn't something to be ashamed of.
You don't like it when people force you into things you don't want, right? You and Hannah came camping, and I was worried, so...
When I went to Michael's house, you were there too.
Stalker.
If you really love me, you'd see things from my perspective, instead of forcing things on me.
Stalker.
No, I was wrong. Rose, I'll never do it again.
And I thought Michael was childish enough. Turns out you are even more childish, Edward Lane. I am going to be clear one more time. I am not in the mood for another relationship. I just want to focus on work and take care of Hannah. That is it. Do you understand?
I understand. So, I won't force you into anything you don't want. We'll just let things be.
Rose, I swear too, I won't force you into anything you don't want. I'll let things be too.
Stealing my lines, huh?
You were eavesdropping on us.
How was I to know you weren't up to no good? Of course I had to follow.
The one with bad intentions is you.
Who are you calling a creep?
Yeah.
Alright, enough. 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 You two can argue. I am getting a beer.
Rose, we'll stop. We'll stop fighting.
We'll stop.
You are the one with bad intentions, and you are the stalker.
Don't you know your place? I am the ex-husband.
Out with the old, in with the new. Get it? You can't do that.
Who do you think you are? You are divorced. Remember, so what if we're divorced? So she should just... She is still mine.
Who are these guys?
They said this area is theirs. They want an overnight fee.
An overnight fee? This campground, we've already paid all the fees. What overnight fee?
Me? I say there's a fee, so there's a fee.
Thursday, they charge their own fees. That is not us.
You... Cut the crap! Just hand over the money! Can you let me speak?
Go ahead, boss.
Alright, we have our code. Today, we just want $5,000 in cash. We don't want a cent more.
Oh, carries cash these days.
Yeah, boss.
Alright. You pick one of them, go get the cash. The other one stays as a hostage. If you are not back in half an hour, you'll be sorry. You have 10 seconds to choose. My patience is wearing thin.
Rose, whoever you choose, we'll respect it.
He said so himself. Choose me. Choose me.
I've seen shameless people, but you are the worst. You are just taking advantage, you know that.
You said she could choose, so I am fighting for her. What is wrong with that?
I've never seen anyone like you. She is not choosing you.
I am her husband.
Then choose me now. I said stop!
We're robbing you. Can't you show some respect for our job?
Stop fighting!
Hey, you shameless bastard. You were the stalker.
Get this straight. I am her husband. So, what if I am her husband? We were married.
Shut up!
Boss, they were faking it. They were just distracting us.
You think I didn't know? You think I need you to tell me?
You couldn't learn anything good, so you turned to robbery. Do you have any idea who we are?
2 top lawyers and a CEO in a heartbeat will throw you in the slammer. You'll rot in there.
Please, sir, ma'am, spare our lives. It is really our first robbery.
Our first robbery, and we had to run into you. You messed with the wrong people.
Don't move.
Hello?
Hello. We're at Southern Sky Campground. There are 2 minors here. They're robbing us.
Okay. We'll be there soon.
Who knew our first moment of telepathy was with you?
You think I wanted this?
Fair game. Fair game, huh?
Fair game.
Okay, thanks. Did you 2 drink something? You are so creepy.
All taken care of.
Mm-hmm. I just called the police. They'll be here soon to take them away. Then the 3 of us just have to give statements.
Spare me, ma'am.
Who are you calling ma'am?
Miss.
You should just call me Attorney Carter. I've already told the police it was an attempted robbery. I'll go and sign a letter of forgiveness. You won't have to go to jail.
Oh, thank you, Attorney Carter.
But you have to promise me. You'll never do anything like this again.
Okay, we promise.
Here.
Cheers. Didn't know you had moves. Not bad.
You are not bad yourself.
Of course. Ask Rose. Back in school, I was a star athlete.
Oh.
How do you know?
After these months of treatment, little Hannah's mental state is fully recovered. Your support and care was a big help.
That is great. Thank you, doctor. Thank you for your careful attention.
Going forward, you'll still need to keep a close eye on her mental state. But she should be fine now.
Okay. I'll be sure to. I'll take this one.
Okay.
It is Hannah's birthday. You should join us.
This milk cake is fresh. Hannah will love it.
Nonsense. This whole wheat bread is more nutritious. Hannah's still growing. She should eat more of this.
Rose, I remember. You love matcha cake.
Nonsense. Rose clearly loves this one.
Rose loves matcha.
We were married for 10 years. We were together every day. You think I would know?
We were in college for 4 years. I know for sure what she likes.
So, what about 4 years? What are you to her?
Childish. I am the first husband.
You were the first husband, I told you. Out with the old, in with the new. Get it?
Did you replace me? Got married yet? Got the ring? When and where?
You are already divorced. So stop saying she loves matcha.
Let me.
Hey, I'll do this.
Are you okay?
I am fine.
Oh no, I use sugar instead of salt.
You 2 should just leave. If you keep helping, this meal will be ruined.
Come on.
Do you think Rose will like the shrimp I bought?
She'll love my card. I handpicked it.
All right. Hannah's getting out of school soon. Who's going to pick her up?
Me!
What is wrong? Did you get Hannah?
Rose, it is bad. Someone took Hannah.
What?
She's just a child. How could you hand her over to a stranger?
What happened?
You're here. The teacher said Hannah was picked up by a woman who said she was your friend.
She said she was Attorney Carter's best friend. She even knew Hannah's nickname, so
Did Hannah say anything?
She seemed hesitant, but the woman said you had an emergency and sent her, so she went with her.
I'll check the school security cameras and the surrounding area. Don't panic. Hannah will be okay.
It is Rachel Grant. It has to be her. She is doing this to get revenge on me.
It is all my fault. If I had come earlier to pick up Hannah...
This isn't the time for blame. We need to find her first.
Don't worry. I've asked a friend to help track the vehicle. They're tracking its location now. We should find her soon. Don't worry. Rose, Rachel Grant is desperate now. She wouldn't dare hurt Hannah. She's just using this to threaten you. Hannah isn't her main target.
You are a bad woman! My mom defeated you! My mom will definitely come save me!
Your mom? Probably. Right now she is going crazy. Call your mom. Tell her to drop all charges against me and give me $1 million. Call her.
I will! You are a bad person. You did something bad, so you should be punished.
What is this? What is this?
My mom said, when you meet a bad person, you have to protect yourself and get evidence. Everything you said, I recorded it all. You can't run away now. Mom said, evidence can put bad people away. Don't you dare.
Little brat, you are trying to lecture me? You think you are worthy? Give it to me.
Run! You think you can get away? Ha!
Stay back. One more step and I'll fight back.
I can't get you, Mom, but I can get you. You little brat. You dare hurt me. I'll make you wish you were dead.
Hello.
It is me.
Rachel Grant. I knew it was you. Where are you? What do you want? Name your price.
Mommy!
Hannah, Rachel. Don't hurt her. Come after me.
Of course I am after you, Rose Carter. Not so cocky now, are you? Rose Carter, the undefeated. And now, even Michael Carter is chasing you.
What is the point of saying this now? What do you want?
Here's the deal. Get me $5 million. Tomorrow at 1 p.m., bring it to the abandoned warehouse north of the city. Once I get the money, I'll let your daughter go. But if you dare to call the cops, don't blame me for what happens next.
Hannah! Hannah!
That bitch, Rachel, back then, how could I not see what a vicious snake she was? Going after a child, it is despicable.
This isn't the time to blame yourself. What matters is finding where Hannah is and how to handle the ransom tomorrow.
I am going alone tomorrow. Don't follow me. Or else I am afraid she'll hurt Hannah.
No way. It is too dangerous for you to go alone. Rachel is completely unhinged.
Michael's right. There is no way you are facing Rachel alone.
Okay. If Hannah knew so many people care about her, she'd be so happy.
I'll get a ransom. I'll have my secretary bring it over tomorrow. We'll go together.
We can't keep going like this. Here, have some coffee and rest. It is all my fault as a mother. I am a terrible mother. I am the one who got her into this.
I am a terrible father, too. Before, I was so biased toward Rachel. And Lucas, letting my own daughter suffer so much.
I am a terrible uncle, too. I knew Rachel was vicious, but I didn't protect Hannah. And now Rachel has her.
Alright. This isn't a blame game. Tomorrow, I'll bring Hannah back safely.
We'll do it together. We'll bring her back. I am getting old. It is only midnight. And I am already worn out.
Me too. Why am I suddenly feeling so dizzy?
Get some sleep tomorrow. When you wake up, I'll have Hannah back.
You put sleeping pills in the coffee.
Rose, you are going alone? You are going to face Rachel by yourself.
Rose, you can't go alone.
Rachel won't spare you.
Hannah! Well, thank you. Hannah! Hannah!
Mommy, I am here.
You are finally here. My Rose Carter.
Rachel, you broke your word. You said, if I paid the ransom, you wouldn't hurt her.
Not my fault. Your daughter tried to run. I got hurt too.
I brought the ransom. Now you can let her go.
Really? Did I say that? But I am the kidnapper now. Use this rope and tie your feet. Do it. Are you going to do it?
What are you doing?
Such a soft little face. What if I accidentally cut it? I wonder if it will leave a scar.
Fine. I'll do it. Just don't hurt her.
Enough talk. My patience is wearing thin. See the phone in front of you. Turn it on. Pick up the paper. Turn on the phone. Go live and read it.
You think if I go live and do what you say and read it, everyone will believe it?
Are you going to read it or not? Don't test my patience. You know me. I am always a woman of my word, and I act fast.
I'll read. Just don't hurt her. I, Rose Carter, framed attorney Rachel Grant, causing her to be disbarred, and I've also damaged her reputation. Beyond repair. Here. I sincerely apologize to attorney Rachel Grant.
So it was really Rose Carter who framed Rachel Grant?
No way. Rachel Grant forged evidence. That was a proven fact.
Hello? What is up?
Attorney Lane, have you seen Miss Carter's live stream?
Live stream? What live stream?
Michael, wake up!
What is wrong?
Look!
Jealousy has made me unrecognizable, and it has made me ruthless.
Look, Rose's eyes. She is not looking at the camera. She is looking away. Does that mean Rachel is threatening her with Hannah? To say that...
It must be. Number, we have to go now. To save them. If we're too late, I am afraid Rachel will do something horrible.
Go.
I did what you said. I read it all. Now you can let her go, right?
Your child is a child. But my child isn't a child. Isn't a child too. You were so heartless back then. You gave my child no chance at all. You made him get 3 whole years in court. 3 years.
He brought it all on himself. Rachel, this was never anyone else's fault. You were so desperate to win, you'd do anything. Faking a birth certificate. And even inciting bullying. All of that was your choice. The children are innocent. Lucas's obsession isn't Hannah's fault. Your failure is all your own doing.
No. That is not how it was. I could have had a bright future.
Don't!
It is all your fault.
What are you doing here?
Who told you to come? Didn't I say to come alone?
I didn't call him.
I came on my own. It is not her fault. Let go of my daughter. Take it out on me.
Michael, you are a heartless bastard. You were supposed to love me and Lucas. Lucas and I gave you all our love. We poured it all into you. But you turned around and fell for Rose Carter and Hannah.
Rachel, stop this.
Kidnapping a child can get you up to 10 years. Plus, you bribe people and forged evidence. With all those charges, you'll just be in prison for even longer. Put down the weapon now. It is your only way out.
I am not turning back. It is all Rose Carter's fault. I could have been a top attorney. I could have given my son the best life. Now it is all gone. It is all your fault. It is all your fault.
Don't let go of Hannah. Just don't hurt my daughter. Rose and I, we can write a letter of forgiveness. We won't press charges, okay?
You really won't.
Freeze!
Hannah!
Mama, I'm okay.
Rose! I'll get you for this! Move! Haunt you from the grave!
Daddy.
Baby.
Uncle Edward, Daddy. You are just in time. Dinner's almost ready.
Hannah, this is a belated birthday gift. A limited edition crystal ball.
Move over. Baby, this is from Daddy. It is your gift. A whole set of Barbies. Do you like it?
I love the gifts from Daddy and Uncle Edward. Thank you, Daddy and Uncle Edward.
You are just in time for dinner.
My daughter.
You do it.
Okay, make a wish.
Make a wish? I hope Mom can find someone who truly loves her and takes care of her.
Oh, honey, you are just trying to embarrass me.
Mom, have you decided yet? Is it Daddy or Uncle Edward?
Don't you think things are fine, just the way they are?
Mom, you are a player, huh?
You are a little rascal. You know what a player is, but Mommy hasn't decided yet. Let's just let time decide. Okay. My sweet girl, Mommy has to go be a legal ace. Let Uncle Edward and Daddy celebrate with you.
Rose!
Bye.